Let me ask you something. If your thoughts were a currency, would you be rich or broke? Because here's the truth. Wealth doesn't start in your bank account. It starts in your belief system. Every millionaire, every successful entrepreneur you admire, they all began with a mindset makeover. And today, you're about to witness 3 powerful transformation stories, real, raw, and relatable, that reveal how ordinary people rewired their thinking and completely rebuilt their lives. These stories will shake your comfort zone, challenge your habits, and, if you let them, completely change how you think about success, money, and your own potential. But be warned, once you see how these mindsets work, you can't unsee it. Ready? Let's start your mindset makeover. Number 1, the wake-up call story. 1. The comfort zone. Trap meet Ryan. 25 years old, college degree, decent job, and completely stuck. He told himself he was being responsible, stable income, weekends off, no risk, no chaos. But every night, he'd scroll through social media and feel that sting, watching others move ahead while he stood still. One day, his friend asked him, "Are you living or just existing?" That question hit him like a punch to the gut, because Ryan realized his comfort zone wasn't keeping him safe, it was keeping him average. So he took a leap, started a small side hustle after work, failed, learned, tried again. Within 18 months, he quit his job and tripled his income. The shift? He stopped protecting his comfort and started protecting his potential. And let's be honest, someday is just code for never, right? But once you break free from comfort, another enemy appears. The battle between pleasure and purpose. That's where our next story begins. Number 2, the transformation story. 2. The pleasure prison. This is Mia. At 23, she was living for the weekend. New shoes, new brunch spot, new posts. Instant gratification was her full-time job. Her rule was simple: I deserve it. Until one day, her credit card said otherwise. Debt, stress, guilt. That's when she realized, every time I reward myself too early, I'm stealing from my future self. So Mia made a painful choice. She cut the unnecessary spending, started saving aggressively, and focused on learning about investing and business. At first, it felt like punishment, but slowly something changed. She began to like control. She loved watching her savings grow. She felt powerful. Now she runs her own digital design studio, invests in assets, and teaches others financial discipline. The mindset shift. Trade short-term pleasure for long-term power. And yes, she still drinks coffee. She just owns the company that sells it now. But what happens when you've got money, control, and success, and still feel empty? That's the next level of the mindset makeover. Act 3, the breakthrough story. 3, the purpose pivot. Ethan had made it. Nice car, luxury apartment, 6-figure income. But something was missing. He wasn't happy, just busy. One day, during a layover at the airport, he looked around and thought, everyone's running. But where are we all going? That question cracked something open. He realized he wasn't chasing dreams anymore. He was chasing distractions. So, he started asking a new question. What would success look like if it wasn't about money, but about meaning? He began mentoring younger entrepreneurs. He built a community. He stopped working for success and started working through purpose. Ironically, his income doubled. Because when you move with purpose, wealth follows as a side effect. The final mindset shift? Don't chase wealth. Become the kind of person wealth chases. And no, that's not motivational fluff. It's strategy disguised as soul work. Because now, all 3 stories, Ryan, Mia, Ethan, lead us to one powerful truth. Number 4, the resolution, the mindset makeover formula. Each of them made one crucial shift. They stopped living reactively and started living intentionally. Ryan faced his fear. Mia conquered her impulses. Ethan found his purpose. And that's the secret blueprint of a true mindset makeover. Because your wealth will never rise higher than your thoughts allow it to. And if your mind is still playing small, your money will too. So ask yourself right now, what story are you living? The one that protects comfort or the one that builds freedom? Your mindset shapes your climb, but success isn't a single step, it's a staircase. If you're ready to rise higher, watch my next video, Stairs of Success. In it, I'll show you exactly how successful people structure their mornings, routines, and decisions to keep climbing, even when motivation fades. Because your mindset built the map. But your daily actions? That's how you reach the top. Your transformation starts now. Keep climbing.